Know OpenSCAD? Then you already know BREP code. Paste it in, it just runs. Let me show you the basics. Start with a cube, 3 numbers, width, depth, height, that's it. A sphere is even simpler, just a radius. A cylinder takes a height and a radius, give it 2 radii, and you've got a cone. Move things with translate, spin them with rotate, stack as many as you want. Union glues shapes together into one. Difference cuts the second shape out of the first. That's how you get holes. And intersection keeps only the part where they overlap. Now the fun stuff. Minkowski rolls a sphere over every edge, instant rounding. And here's one OpenSCAD simply can't do, a blend. The shapes melt into each other, no edge required. So yeah, it speaks OpenSCAD, but BREP code is so much more than a compiler. It's a playground. OpenSCAD, JSCAD, Build123D, or plain English, all into one kernel. Drop in a broken STL and it repairs it. Turn a flat sketch into a solid with a single extrude. There's an AI harness built right in. Plug in Claude, OpenAI, or a local WebLLM model in your browser. Click a face for fin supports that match its angle. Print ready. Grab the middle and stretch it. The part gets longer. Both ends stay intact. Click any face and drill. It bores straight down the normal. It's free. MIT, no install, no account. Just open a tab and start building. That's it. Try it right now, free at brepcode.com. The whole thing is on GitHub, MIT licensed, open source. Now go build something.